Looks like a win. Yeah, we won! It's win! A profit of $690. Hello, I'm Camila. Before the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have an ASOS Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams, and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write me in private messages I want to join the VIP. It's absolutely free. See you! Watch this video till the end and I will tell you about my super useful trading guide which you can get absolutely free today. Friends, today I will tell you about one of my favorite strategies. We will use one really simple indicator that if used skillfully will bring us a good profit. So we go to the trading platform, I use Pocket Option and I will use the original link to the platform itself in the description. And we begin to set the settings necessary for this strategy. Set the chart type to standard candles. Time frame 1 minute. Execution time 3 minutes. In the Indicators tab, select Stochastic Oscillator. Leave default settings. For the strategies, the conditions for entering a trade are as simple as possible. We enter a short trade when the stochastic crosses the sign line from the overbought zone and enter up trade when the stochastic crosses the sign line from the oversold zone. Friends, before moving on to the practical development of my new trading strategy, I promised to tell you about my ASOS trading guide. My guide is a collection of my rules for organizing money management, which will help you earn big money on trading without loss. Today, you can get my guide for free. What do you need to do? Follow the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it, and write me in private messages I want a guide. Do it right now, and then you will thank me. And we move on to practice. Okay, so stochastic crossed the sign line. So I'm entering the up trade. Few seconds left and yeah, we won! Nice! $230 for my balance. Friends, I'll be glad for any of your activity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, put likes and write comments. I do it for you. Okay, so I will open trade next candle because stochastic will cross. Yeah, I'm entering. Five seconds left and it's win! Another $230! I'll open up trade if stochastic cross. Yeah, it's crossed and I'm entering. Looks like a win. Yeah, nice! $230! Perfect! Today we explored a beginner-friendly strategy that is both simple and highly effective, resulting in a substantial profit of $690. For today I have everything. Subscribe to my channel, put likes and write comments. See you in my next video. Bye!